Hi guys, Fred Zint here, Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2020 Coachmen Chaparral. It's a 373 MBRB. Come on in, I'm going to show you this nice big fifth wheel. When you walk in the entryway, you got your heavy duty solid step platform. When you walk through the door, you got your bunk room. You got two bunks and storage on both sides. Come in here, you got your freestanding dinette with two chairs. You got your nice large 4K TV with electric fireplace. And then you got storage here. You got opposing slides here so it opens up your fifth wheel really nice. In the back of the coach here, you have you have an extra room. So you got your couch here that folds into a bed. You can shut this door for privacy. You got a place to mount a TV for the kids. And then you got 6 full extending drawers. And then storage above. And this one also has a full bathroom in the back, shower. When you come in here, you got your stadium seating recliners. In the galley, you got a nice double door stainless steel refrigerator. You got a 3-burner cooktop, cast iron surface, and then you got your microwave and your oven. They use all stainless steel products here. And then you got your pantry. Stainless steel dual sink. Nice solid surface countertop with drawers and cupboards below. Come on up here and I will show you the rest. When you come into the bedroom, you got a walk around queen size bed. And you have storage above the bed and here on the side. Then right here you have a wardrobe slide out with 3 drawers. And then more wardrobe space. Come on into the bathroom. Then you got full extending drawers, nice corner shower, your medicine cabinet above the sink. Got your outside speakers, and you have a nice large power awning with LED lighting. You got a full pass-through right here. Outside entertainment with the 42-inch Furrion TV, a little gas grill, and a mini fridge, and also a sliding tray to prepare your food. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2020 Coachmen Chaparral, please give me a call. My name's Fred Zint, 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.